Exercise 3.1, sum number 2, subdivision 2, 2x plus z equal to 3 into 3 of minus x plus 1 is given. Then second equation is minus x plus 3y minus z equal to minus 4, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to minus 1 by 2. Clear? So now what I am doing here, 2y plus z equal to 3 into minus x plus 1 is given. I want to change like this the given the first two equations. So what I am doing, 2y plus z equal to this 3 into minus x minus 3x, 3 into 1, 3. I take this 3x to this side means we are getting plus 3x. So I convert into the one side is variables, another side is constant like this. So one side is fully variable, another side is constant. So I convert to the equation like this means, listen, this minus 3x we take this side means plus 3x. So 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 3. This is equation number 1. This minus 3x we take this side means plus 3x. Already we are having plus 2y and then plus z equal to 3. That is equation number 1. This is number 2. This one is number 3. From these three equations, we need to reduce any one variable. So any variable you can cancel, no problem. So see here, equation 1, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 3. In second equation, minus x plus 3y minus z. In first equation z, in second equation minus z. So solving 1 and 2, straightly we cancel z plus z minus z. So listen, solving 1 and 2. 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 3, minus x plus 3y minus z equal to minus 4. This equal to 3x minus x, 2x, 2 plus 3, 2y plus 3y plus 5y plus z minus z will be cancelled. This equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. This is equation number 4. Right. Then what we need to find? Like this x and y variables, we need to form another one equation like this. How to form? Listen, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 3. See the third equation, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 3. Using 1 and 3, also we cancel the z, we are getting. See the second and third equation, minus x plus 3y minus z equal to minus 4. Here 3x plus 2y plus z equal to minus 1 by 2. So here plus z minus z we are having. So straightly we solve these two equations, we cancel the z variable. So solving 2 under 3 minus x plus 3y minus z equal to minus 4, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to minus 1 by 2. So here plus z minus z will be cancelled. 3 minus x, 3x minus x. In this 3x, 1x will be subtracted means remaining 2x, 5y. Here minus 4 minus 1 by 2. Minus 4 minus 1 by 2 means 2 into minus 4 minus 8, and we are having 1 minus 1 by 2. So minus 8 minus 1 means minus 9 by 2 we are getting, right? So no need to do like this, straightly you write here minus 9 by 2. This is what? Fifth equation. So see the fourth and fifth equation. 2x plus 5y equal to minus 1. 2x plus 5y equal to minus 9 by 2. In these two equations, we have x and y variable. For that reason only we can form these equations. Now we have to take these two equations and then solve. So solve means solving 4 and 5. 2x plus 5y equal to minus 1. 2x plus 5y equal to minus 9 by 2. We want to cancel the x means we need to change the symbol. For whole one, once we change anywhere, we need to change whole equations. Plus means minus, minus means plus, we need to put. So here minus 9 by 2, so I written here plus 9 by 2. So 2x minus 2x, this will be cancelled. 5y minus y, this will be cancelled. So we are getting 0. Here minus 1 plus 9 by 2. Minus 1 plus 9 by 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 9 by 2. Minus 2 plus 9, that is 9 minus 2, 7 by 2. 0 equal to 7 by 2. Definitely 0 is not equal to 7 by 2. Clear? So we are having the 7 rupees, that is equal to 0. That is not correct. So this is not equal to, but we are getting 0 equal to 7 by 2. So definitely this is not equal to only. So therefore 0 not equal to 7 by 2. Clear? So it has no solution. That is the answer. It has no solution because 0 is not equal to 7 by 2. We are having the three conditions. One is unique solution, another one is many solution, another one is no solution. Yesterday we see one sum that we are getting many solutions. Now 0 not equal to, that is we are getting 0 equal to 7 by 2. That is definitely 0 is equal to 7 by 2 means no. So 0 not equal to 7 by 2. So this is no solution. Right? So yesterday we are getting 0 equal to 0. Final answer 0 equal to 0. So both sides are equal. 0 equal to 0 means that is called many solutions. Right? So unique solution means tomorrow we will see. Clear? Right? Right.